Mia, did you hear the strange sound coming from the art room after school yesterday? I was packing my bag when I suddenly heard something fall inside the classroom.
Yes, I heard it too, and it honestly scared me a little. Emily said she saw the classroom lights flicker even though nobody was supposed to be there at that time.
I thought maybe it was just the janitor cleaning the room, but when I walked past the window, I couldn't see anyone inside at all. The whole hallway felt super quiet.
That's exactly why I started walking faster to the school gate. My cousin told me old schools sometimes make strange noises at night because the pipes and windows are really old.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use AutoLipSync Pro, the new feature. Okay, it has gotten a new update, and today I'm going to show you how to use it and how to animate multiple characters in the same scene using the AutoLipSync. So let's get started. So for this character, it has the shape keys for the viseme. If you want to learn it, there's video link in the description. Also, here's the reference I used to create the shape keys for the lips. So the first thing is we have to assign an audio. So let me go and assign an audio. Here I have audio for character 2 and character 1. Let me go to the character 1 and I'm going to select an audio. So let's go, and I'm going to select the audio. I'll go to where I have it, and now I'm going to start with the character 1 audio 1. Right now, when you select an audio, just click on convert, and it's going to convert the audio to the needed format for this add-on to work. Right now, it's showing this one is 9 seconds. So we have push to video sequence editor. Right now, when I play the animation, the audio is not playing here because we don't have the audio on our sequence. Okay, so what we can do is we can click on push to here, and now when I play,
Mia, did you hear
the audio is playing.
Strange sound coming from the art room after school yesterday? I was packing my bag when I suddenly heard something fall inside the classroom.
Okay, this is the end of the audio.
Mia, did you hear the strange...
We can see it's set to auto. When it is auto, that means it will calculate where the audio ends, and then it's going to end at that part. Let's say you don't want to make the character speak the all audio. What we can do is we can just set the start frame and the end frame. I'm going to turn this one off and say end frame supposed to be 50. And now let's go to here. I'm going to video sequence. Okay, so here's the audio. I'm going to remove it. Right now, when I click push to here, we can see right now the audio will end on frame 50. Let me go to my timeline here, and you can see right now it ends on frame 50. Okay, so what about if you want it to start? If you want it to start on frame maybe 100, I'm going to start on frame 100 and set to auto. So right now when I push, it's going to start from frame 100. So it's
Mia, did you hear the strange...
Since I set to auto
sound coming from the art room after school yesterday? I was packing my bag when I suddenly heard something fall inside the classroom.
Okay, so this is what you have, but right now I want this to start on frame 0 or frame 1. So I'm going to start on here, and I'm going to push it again. Okay, so the audio here, the length of the audio here is the one that you're going to use to process. So now let's click on process, and now it's going to convert this speech into text. So let's wait for it to convert. We can see it converting here, and it's going to open the process audio here, and we can see what it's this process of, and we can see it will transcribe in red time. You can see what is writing here. So now let's preview. Everything here is offline. It don't use here online. Okay, I can turn off my data and it will still work. So let's see.
Mia, did you hear the strange sound coming from the art room after school yesterday? I was packing my bag when I suddenly heard something fall inside the classroom.
Okay, so this is the end of this audio. Now I'm going to start with this character. Okay, let me hide this girl. Let's
hear the strange sound
so that my scene will run smooth. Here I'm not using post action, I'm using shape key. You can see the shape key use starts from the open. These are all the shape keys is going to be used. It's using 13 shape keys. So now let's go to lip sync setup using shape key, and right now I'm going to assign my character, and here you can see it say all required shape keys found. That means all the shape keys needed for it to work has been found. Now let's click on generate. Here we have the settings, so many settings. If you want to change the cartoonist transition frame, if you want the lip sync to make cartoonist, you can set this to 1 and the lip sync going to be like cartoon. Okay, here we also have anticipating some, so I'm going to leave this as for default setting. But before I proceed, let me go top here. We have keep existing lip sync. What this means is, example, let's say you already have a lip sync animation for this character and you're going to add another one. If this one is true, the old one will not delete, it will keep and it will add a new one. Okay, so the default one is 2, so let's keep as 2 and let's move on. So here let's click on generate and click OK. Now it has finished generating. Let's preview.
Mia, did you hear the strange sound coming from the art room after school yesterday?
Here, let me click on this and sync to audio.
After school yesterday? I was packing my bag when I suddenly heard something fall inside the classroom. Mia, did you hear the strange sound coming from the art room after school yesterday? I was packing my bag when I suddenly heard something fall inside the classroom.
So, okay, this is what you have.
Did you hear the strange sound coming from the art room after school yesterday?
Here, the frame
Inside
dropping, so that's why
Mia.
you can't see the lip sync well. Okay. So,
Mia, did you hear the strange sound coming from the art room after school yesterday?
so right now we have generated one for this character. So now let's go to this one. I want her to respond to what she said. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this, okay, and I'm going to assign this girl here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to load another audio. So that audio is character 2 audio 1, and this one, since this one ends on frame let's say it ends on frame maybe 2, say let's say 240, or
Did something fall inside the classroom?
okay, let's say it end on here. So I want this second audio also start from maybe 220. Okay, 220 is good. So I'm going to convert and I'm going to push the start on 220, and let's push to here and let's preview.
Fall inside the classroom.
Yes, I heard.
Bag when I suddenly heard something fall inside the classroom.
Yes,
Okay, so this is what you have now. Right now, let's process this one also. Okay, so you can see it is processing here. Let's preview.
I heard something fall inside the classroom.
Yes, I heard it too, and it honestly scared me a little. Emily said she saw the classroom lights flicker even though nobody was supposed to be there at that time.
Mia.
Okay, so now let's go here. We have assigned this character. Now we are going to load animation 2, and let's generate and click OK. You can see right here, this is the character talking. Okay, this one is not talking, but right here.
Yes, I heard it too, and it honestly scared me a little. Emily said she saw the classroom lights flicker even.
Okay, let's turn this one off and.
Yes, I heard it too, and it honestly scared me a little. Emily said she saw the classroom lights flicker even though nobody was supposed to be there at that time.
Me.
Okay, so we have done. Let's add another one. Okay, so I'm going to load another audio. Okay, so let's go here. Let's go back to character 1, and there's audio 2, character 1, audio 2. Since this one also ends at frame
nobody was supposed to be there at that time.
Okay, so let's say 490. Okay, so convert. After converting, let's type start frame to be 490. So duration is 10 seconds. You have converted 10 seconds, and it will show us it will end on frame 504. Okay, So now let's push.
To be there at that time.
I thought maybe it was just the janitor.
Okay, so after that, let's preset this audio. And right now, we are going to assign this character. Okay, let's remove this gear and let's assign our armor body 1. Okay, let me, okay, so
Lights flicker supposed to be.
I thought maybe it was just the janitor.
okay, let me hide this. So,
Yeah,
good, now it has finished. Since we already assigned our character, just click on here, generate, and now we see this character talking here is stopped. Once I reach here, is we have keyframe here and another keyframe. So you can see this is the first one audio and this is the second audio. Let's test.
I thought maybe it was just the janitor cleaning the room, but when I walked past the window, I couldn't see anyone inside at all. The whole hallway felt super quiet. Maybe it was just the janitor cleaning the room, but when I walked past the window, I couldn't see anyone inside at all. The whole hallway felt super quiet.
Good. Now let's add another one. Okay, let's go here and we are going to character 2 and character 2 audio 2. Let's convert, and this one also ended frame here. So
Quiet. I felt super quiet.
let's make this one start on 7:30. Okay, so this one I said starts from frame 7:30 and then
Super quiet.
and it's auto. So since this one is 13 seconds, it say and is going to be 10:42. Okay, so I'm going to push this one to here and let's.
I felt super quiet.
That's exactly why I started walking.
Okay, so right now let's generate this audio. Okay, so I'm going to preset this audio and now let's remove this and assign this character. Okay,
That's exactly why I started walking faster to the school gate. My cousin told me old school sometimes makes.
okay, so I think this one also has finished generating. Now let's go and generate lip sync. Okay, so
That's exactly why I started walking faster to the school gate. My cousin told me old school sometimes makes strange noises at night because the pipes and windows are really old.
okay, so you can see what we have. We have the first character right now because of the scene is not moving smooth. That's why we can preview.
Mia, did you hear the strange sound coming from the art room after school yesterday? I was packing my bag when I suddenly heard something fall inside the classroom.
Yes, I heard it too, and it honestly scared me a little. Emily said she saw the classroom lights flicker even though nobody was supposed to be there at that time.
I thought maybe it was just the janitor cleaning the room, but when I walked past the window, I couldn't see anyone inside at all. The whole hallway felt super quiet.
That's exactly why I started walking faster to the school gate. My cousin told me old school sometimes makes strange noises at night because the pipes and windows are really old.
Good. Now another thing we can do also here is auto blink. Okay, so right now we can make this character blinks. Also it's using the same shape keys. Okay, it's using shape keys for it. I'm going to add the blink to it. Okay, so let's go to here. We have the auto blink using the shape keys. So let me start with this character, and here I'm going to assign here, and let me assign the mesh. Okay, and the first thing is I'm going to load. I'm going to assign blink. I already have blink and blink shape key here. Okay, there is the one, and I'm going to use that blink. So search for blink. So here let's go to generate blink. If here we have only one shape key for both left and right blink, just toggle this one on and use that shape key. Okay, this one both are separate, that's why I use separate one. So I'm going to click on generate, and here we have preset for the blinking. Okay, you can see anytime I change, it's going to use different settings, different way of generating the eye blink. So here I'm going to decrease the mass intervals to maybe to 80, and this one set to be 30. That means she's going to blink more. Okay, so let me click on here, and let's see, we have all these keyframes in here. If you want to see the blink keyframe, if you go here, we can see we have the value for eye blink left and eye blink right.
Mia, did you hear the strange sound coming from the art room after school yesterday? I was packing my bag when I suddenly heard something fall inside the classroom.
Yes, I heard it too, and it honestly scared me a little. Emily said she saw the classroom lights flicker even though nobody was supposed to be there at that time.
I thought maybe it was.
So now let's do the same for the small girl here. So for that one, I'm going to assign here. So assign that girl, and here I'm going to use the same blink. Okay, so let's generate, and this one I can go with cartoonist and others. Okay, let me reduce this one, and here. Okay, so in our final, this is what
She saw
we
the
have
classroom
here for the
lights
blink,
flicker even though
and
nobody was supposed to be
Do you hear
okay.
the strange sound coming from the art room after
Here's the
school
blink
yesterday?
animation we have here.
I was packing my bag when I.
Okay, so we can go to this and see what we
Mia,
have.
did you hear the strange sound coming from the art room after school yesterday? I was packing my bag when I suddenly heard something fall inside the classroom.
Yes, I heard it too, and it honestly scared me a little. Emily said she saw the classroom lights flicker even though nobody was supposed to be there at that time.
I thought maybe it was just the janitor cleaning the room, but when I walked past the window, I couldn't see anyone inside at all. The whole hallway felt super quiet.
That's exactly why I started walking faster to the school gate. My cousin told me old schools sometimes make strange noises at night because the pipes and windows are really old.
Okay, so this is what it is. Okay,
I
yeah, and I think it's
was
cool
packing my
here.
bag when I suddenly heard something fall and
After rendering, and your scene going to look smooth, and the audio is going to sync well. Okay, so this what it is, and here the character also has been rigged, and yes. So here, what you can do next is we can render this this audio output. Okay, just go to render and go to render audio, and here I'm going to render it as mp3. Just render it, and you'll have, and this is how I render it, and I got my audio file here. Okay, so this will export the arranged
Mia,
audio.
did you hear the strange
I heard it too, and
something fall inside the classroom?
yes, I heard it too, and it honestly scared me a little.
Yes, this is what we have. So right after that, you can just also render your animation and then use your composition software to combine them together. Yeah, I can. Okay, and
Mia, did you hear the strange sound coming from the art room after school yesterday?
also for those wondering on how I created these characters, I use this add-on called Explainer Character Armor, and this add-on is going to be this add-on is going to be released soon. Okay, it just add-on that you can use to generate a stylized character. It has already been rigged, and you can just go here, you can randomize your character with different faces. Okay, it works pretty well here. It's integrated with AutoLipSync Pro, so this add-on you must have AutoLipSync Pro installed before you can use this. Okay, so let me reset. We have character types, and so make sure you come back so that when it's released you can have it. Okay, you have lips, you can change the lips, and this you also have skin color. These are basic things about it. Okay, you can use to generate character, and after that you can add your own cloth to and your own shade to hair, and that's all what you have. Okay, I'm going to apply, Right now the rig don't match again. You can see what we have. It doesn't match. I'm going to match to rig here and let's wait. So you can see it has matched and everything look fine. So this is the add-on I used to generate the characters for this test. They already comes with the 52 arcade blend shapes here. It's coming the 52 arcade blend shapes and the viseme shape keys. So if you have this add-on, you can just create your character and just use AutoLipSync to animate. It also works with AutoLipSync Pro. So with these three add-ons, you can just create your animations with just minimal effort. Okay, so this one is going to be available soon.